Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. For those of you who do follow me, I'm finally back from vacation. I haven't filmed in like over a week and it feels like I'm like adjusting my camera, I'm making sure my lighting is good, and like let me know if the camera angle is good. I feel like it's different from what I usually have, but you know, you guys let me know. So in the past couple of like weeks, I've done reviews on mascaras recently, and most of them have been fails, which is okay. I understand that not everything is going to work for me, but I wanted to try another new mascara, and I'm hoping, I have high hopes that it's going to be good. It's from Essence, and it's their new Lash, hold on, it's the pink one. Essence Lash Princess Curl Mascara. Now, if you are new here, when I review mascaras, I'm looking for something to hold up my eyelashes. I have straight eyelashes. I'm opening this up. I have straight eyelashes, kind of short eyelashes. So I've only found a handful. I should probably stop talking while I'm opening that. I've only found a handful of mascaras that I personally feel do the work, or they do the job of holding up my eyelashes, and it's a short list. So I will be doing a video soon, kind of like my favorites. They're mainly drugstore. There is one that is not drugstore, but it's decently priced. Alright, so these are my eyelashes. I'm going to just turn to the side. You can see that they just kind of grow straight. I got a lot of color on my vacation. I'm so tan right now. I need to curl my eyelashes. So, I'm going to use my Japanesque eyelash curler. So here's our starting point. I do have a review on the green one, the Essence Lash Princess. I will link it up. That is one of my favorite mascaras. So I do apologize if you hear background noises. There are kids playing outside, so my mic sometimes picks up the outside noises. Alright, actually, let's look at the mascara first. Alright, so this is the mascara. The wand is a little similar. Actually, no, it's not. This is what the wand looks like. It almost has like, I think it has like that, what is it called? It looks like a rectangle, but it's like twisted, like it's not coming to my head right now. It looks like, you know what DNA looks like, you know, when it's twisted? That's kind of what it reminds me of. Similar to maybe the Better Than Sex mascara. That's what's coming to my mind right now. The original, the green one, is kind of like a cone shape. This is the Lash Princess. The one that I have the review already on. That's more of a cone effect. So this one has different bristles. It seems like the bristles range from different sizes. So we're definitely going to try that out. Doesn't really have a scent or anything. Alright, so let me pull you in close. Alright, so now you are all up in my face. We're going to curl my eyelashes. So what I'm looking for is something that's going to actually hold my lashes up. I have this like, I'll curl my lashes, and I have this like little bit here that I guess just doesn't fit into this lash curler. Let me switch eyelash curlers. I'm sorry. I'm going to use my Trish McAvoy. That one has like a longer little gate. Like, see, now I can get to the outside of my lashes. Much better. Okay. Alright, so we're just going to go for it. We're going to go in and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to start applying it. I can definitely feel it catching my eyelashes very nicely. Wow, this, I can feel it coating like every lash. The formula doesn't feel overly wet, which is good, but it's not dry either. It's like that sweet spot, like right in the middle. Can you guys see a difference? In the mirror, I can definitely see. So it's definitely lengthening. It is volumizing. So let me just turn a little bit. You could see like that curl, definitely, it's there. So let me curl my other lashes and even myself out. Alright, so that's both eyes with mascara on. I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit just so you can kind of see it a little bit better. Alright, so here's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing there's definitely length, there's definitely volume. My eyelashes are dropping though. This, I would say, definitely reminds me a lot of the e.l.f. The Big Mood. What's the other one? That the Maybelline one I just reviewed. The Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. Like, you're definitely getting that full fan effect. It's got more volume than the e.l.f. one, but I am seeing that it's just drooping my eyelashes a little bit. There's definitely definition. Like, if I'm looking straight at you, like, my eyelashes aren't super straight, but it's not holding. And I don't know, I'm wondering if, like, I'm starting to wonder, is it my eyelash curler? Do I need to get a new eyelash curler? Because it's happening a lot with most of my mascaras, and I'm not sure why. But it's a pretty mascara. It's definitely, it's not like a very basic one because there is volume there. It is a very black mascara too. But I don't feel like it's really holding up my lashes. Like, this one just straight up, it dropped. So yeah, and it's about, I think it's like $5 or $6, something like that. I got mine off of Amazon. Yeah, I think, like, again, like I always say, if you have eyelashes that have a natural curl and you want something that's lengthening and volumizing, like, you're gonna like this one a lot. But if you have straight eyelashes like me, I think we just need primers at this point. Or, like, one of my favorite affordable mascaras is and I say this all the time, but it's really, like, stepped up or climbed up the list for me, is the Super Lash from Apple Cosmetics. Again, I have this one on my Amazon link. That's where I get mine because apparently you can find them at a dollar store. I don't have any by me that carry it, but yeah, I think if you have, like, just eyelashes that are just naturally good, not vertically challenged like mine are, you're gonna like this one. I don't hate this mascara. I think it actually performs really nice, and, like, let me see, they don't feel crunchy either, which I do like, and it dried up pretty quick. So it's not fully flat, but, like, there's a bit of a curl there. I don't know if you could see. I'll turn this way. I feel like this one just really dropped a lot. So it's not bad. It's okay. Yeah, I mean, I'll definitely keep using it. I think it's a good one. I love the formula of this because, again, it's not crunchy. It's not overly wet. Like, if it was super wet, I know that my lashes would have dropped sooner. But it's a nice one. It's a good everyday mascara. So I'll say that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any requests or anything, please feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you in my next one.